Zhu Jingyi is a Chinese singer, dancer and actress. She was born on 18 June 1994 in Suining, Sichuan, China. She studied at the Attest Middle School of Sichuan Conservatory of Music, majoring in violin but dropped out to audition for SNH 48. He ranked 84th on Forbes China Celebrity 100 list. In 2020, Zhu appeared in CCTV New Year's Gala for the first time, acting out a skit like You Like Me. She is set to star in the historical romance dramas In a Class of Her Own alongside Song, Weilong and The Blooms of Rui Pavilion, reuniting with Legend of Yunqi co-star Zhang Jahan. In 2018, Zhu starred in the historical drama Legend of Yunqi. She also sang the theme songs for the drama The Fallen Flowers Turn into Mud and Sigh of Yunqi. The series was a commercial hit and received positive reviews for light-hearted and sweet storyline, leading to increased popularity for Zhu. The same year, Zhu starred in the romantic comedy drama Mr. Swimmer. Zhu also became one of the judges for the music variety show The Chinese Youth. In 2019, Zhu starred in the web series adaptation of the Chinese folktale Legend of the White Snake, playing the titular role of Bai Sujian. The same year, Zhu starred as the female lead in period suspense drama Please Give Me a Pair of Wings. Zhu was named as one of the most recognizable Chinese actresses in web dramas by the Hong Kong media and won the Best Actress award at the China Canada Television Festival Award for her performance in Legend of Yunqi. Zhu entered the Forbes China Celebrity 100 list for the first time, ranking 94th. Forbes China also listed Zhu under their 30 Under 30 Asia 2019 list, which consisted of 30 influential people under 30 years old who have had a substantial effect in their fields. On 15 December 2017, it was announced that Zhu would depart from SNH 48 and continue promotions as a solo artist under Star 48. An individual studio and website have been launched to manage her solo career. On 18 December, she released a solo single titled Rain. On 7 January 2017, she participated in SNH 48's third request time, of which her song Don't Touch. On 15 February 2017, she took on her first leading role in the detective web drama Detective Samoyeds. The series was a success and broke 10 billion views at the end of its 2 seasons. Zhu was ranked second in SNH 48's second general election held on 25 July 2015. She became a member of sub-unit Seine River along with Zhao Jiamin and Lil Yetong. Their first single Sweet and Bitter was released on 31st October 2015. In May 2014, Zhu starred in her first music video, Football Party. She subsequently ranked 4th during SNH 48's first general election, during which they released their first album, Mein Shika Mukheni. On 17 October 2016, Zhu released her first solo single, Every Day. On 10 December 2016, she won the New Television Actress of the Year award at the Tencent Video Star Awards for her performance in Novoland, The Castle in the Sky.